All right, language explorers, let's have a listen to some Shakespeare's sonnets. To me, fair friend, you can never be old, for as you were when first your eye I eyed, such seems your beauty still. 3 winters cold have from the forests shook 3 summers' pride. 3 beauteous springs to yellow autumn turned. In process of the seasons I have seen 3 April perfumes in 3 hot Junes burned. Since first I saw you fresh, with which yet are green, and yet doth beauty like a dial hand steal from this figure, and no place perceived. So your sweet hue, which methinks still doth stand, hath motion, and mine eye may be deceived, for fear of which here this thou age unbred, ere you were born was beauty's summer dead. My mistress's eyes are nothing like the sun. Coral is far more red than her lips red. If snow be white, then why her breasts be dun? If hair be wires, black hairs grow on her head. I have seen rose damasked, red and white, but no such rose see I in her cheeks. And in some perfumes is there more delight than in the breath that from my mistress reeks. I love to hear her speak, yet well I know that music hath a far more pleasing sound. I grant I never saw a goddess go. My mistress, when she walks, treads on the ground. And yet by heaven I think my loves are rare, as any she believe with false compare. To expense of spirit in a waste of shame is lust in action, until action lust is perjured, murderous, bloody, full of blame, savage extreme, rude, cruel, not to trust, enjoyed no sooner but despised straight, past reason hunted and sooner had, past reason hated as a swallowed bait, on purpose laid to make the taker mad, mad in pursuit and in possession so, had having and in quest to have extreme, a bliss in proof and proved a very woe, before a joy proposed, behind a dream. All this the world well knows, yet no one knows well, to shun the heaven that leads men to this hell.